the conditional probability, but there's going to be a lot of Venn diagram, frequency trees, and two-way tables. Now, even though these three things look different, they're sort of like showing you exactly the same information. They're just showing you it in different ways. And we really need to know how to go between them all, because sometimes it's just easier to read off a Venn diagram really than a tree diagram. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to look at this two-way table, and I want you to try and turn it into a Venn diagram. Pause the video for now to do it straight away. Now, most people, you've got to decide on the two things. So if I choose strawberry for my first one, you might think my next one's going to be not strawberry, but that's not the case. Because if strawberry is going to be in my middle, that means not strawberry has to be all of my outside. So this one here is not going to be not strawberry. It could be boys. Now you do have a little bit of leeway here. There's nothing wrong if you want to make this into the boys into the girls category, or if you want to choose the peach instead of the strawberry. Yeah, it really makes no difference whatsoever. But we must remember, if this is a peach, then the things that are outside are not going to be not peach. And now what we do now is we just fill out all the information we have. Okay. So outside, I've already put a 3 there. Outside has got to be people that aren't peach, which must be strawberries, and that aren't girls, which must be boys, which is 3, which is that one there. Okay. Now you've got to think my first section. Right, I want the peaches that are not girls, which are boys, that's going to be 10. My bit in the middle, which you should really do first because it's the easiest, are the peaches and the girls. Okay, which is this bit here, which is your 2. Okay, and the other bit here, which is your 9. Okay, now all the other information is not written on the Venn diagram, but we have to work it out for ourselves. Okay, now see if you can turn this into a frequency tree. I've done it for you, and sorry about the bad quality of it. Okay, so I've done my first 2 options. I've done a strawberry and peach, and my second ones are going to be boy, girl, boy, girl. I'll try and put your values in. Right. So my first one's a strawberry and peach. Which is going to be my actual values. So my total strawberry and my total peach happen to be the same. Now my next one is boys. This is a boys if I've already given that I've already chosen strawberry. Okay, so my first one's going to be 3. And my next one's going to be girls if I've chosen strawberry, which is my 9. And this is peach if boys is, okay, which is 10. And my last one, green. Now remember, this is a frequency tree. This is not a probability tree. There's slight differences. But really, if you want to make this into a probability tree, all I really do is I just put these at 24. Yep. Right. So the last one, I've got a Venn diagram in front of me. Turn that into a frequency tree. Because again, we have to work it away. If you need your help, that's what I'm doing. I don't know what B stands for. I don't know what C stands for. But I know it's going to be B and not B, and C and not C. So chances, my first one of it being B is actually going to be 30. Okay. I got my 30 by adding these 2 together. Okay. And my not B is going to be 59. What I did for some reason, I added them all up and I took them away from 30. Yeah, the other thing you could have done is you could have just added your 14 and your 45 to give you your 59. Okay. Now my next one, which is C, so C given that B's already happened. Yeah. So it's going to be either 17 or 13, and C is just this little bit here, so 13, 17. And my one is not B. Yeah, so it's all my outside. So my C is just going to be my 14, and my one's going to be my 45. Okay. So into a 2-way table. Again, B not B, C not B, and you just take them straight out your diagram, really. So my B and C is my middle bit, which is my 13. Okay. My not B, which is the outside, and C is 14. My not C, which is the outside of the C, but B is my 17 there, the other one's 45, and your total, you just add them all up. Yeah. Always try and make sure that your total on one side adds up to your total on the other side. If this is not true, you messed up. Turn this into a Venn diagram to help you out. I've got my 2 ones, I've got 16 or less, yeah, or the other category I've got bought sweets, and of course you do have a bit of flexibility, and all it means is your numbers will be moved around. What you really want to focus on is this last column here. So let's work our way through them. So I've got 16 or less, yeah, which is this circle, and bought sweets would be my middle bit. So my middle bit's 56, and my outside is 24. Okay, I've already done it. The one on the outside is not 16, and did not buy sweets, which is no and no, which is my 95, which means 25 there. Okay, this is work I want you to do, and it is a lot of drawing, but it's good because it's nice things for you to do. So for each one of these data, I want you to draw it as a Venn diagram, as a frequency tree, and as a 2-way table. Pause the video, do them please. If you wanted a harder one or a slightly different one, you do this as a tree diagram with the probabilities. So not a frequency tree, a tree diagram. Right, a lot of answers coming up. And this is what I did for the first one, justification a bit of structure. Here's all my values thrown in. I notice you are just doing the same values again. My Venn diagram, again, just a bit of structure to help you out. Here's all my values thrown in. I've done my tree diagram going down just so it fits on my power. Okay, structure for the 2A table. Here's your answers. Again, the numbers just been used again. The last one for the structure, and all your values put in.